Have you seen those incredible infinite zoom videos sweeping the internet and wondered, how do they even make those? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create your own stunning infinite zoom videos using the power of AI. And the best part? We're going to do it all with 3 amazing and accessible AI tools. We'll be using ChatGPT for our initial idea, Nano Banana Pro by Google for creating and expanding our images, and Grok AI to turn those images into motion. This method has a really cool twist. Instead of planning everything out, we're going to let the AI surprise us a little, creating a truly unique and unpredictable journey. So, if you're ready to create videos that will captivate your audience, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Every great video starts with a spark of an idea. For our infinite zoom, we need a starting point. This is where ChatGPT comes in. I just asked it for a few creative concepts for an infinite zoom video. I've put the exact prompt I used in a Google Doc, which you can find linked in the description below, along with other prompt examples. I decided to go with its suggestion of starting with a hyper-detailed macro shot of a cat's eye. That's all we need to get started. We're not going to generate a whole sequence of prompts, just the first one. Now, let's create our starting line. We're going to use Nano Banana Pro to generate our very first image. I'll take that prompt for the cat's eye from my Google Doc and paste it into Nano Banana. Perfect. Look at that detail. This is our frame 0. Now let's bring it to life. We're taking this first image over to Grok AI. Grok specializes in creating video from a single starting image. So we'll upload our cat's eye and give it a simple prompt like, animate this image with a slow, steady zoom out for 6 seconds. Okay, our first video clip is done. Now here is the secret that makes this entire technique work. Grok decided what the end of that zoom looks like. We can't control the last frame, but we can use it. We need to save the very last frame of the video we just generated. You can do this by simply clicking on the video paused at the last frame, and select Copy Frame. Now that we have our new starting point, we upload the last frame we just saved, and now we write a new prompt to describe the scene we want to reveal around it. You can upload the image on ChatGPT and ask it for a new prompt. And now we have our new image ready for the next step. You've probably guessed it. We take this new image back to Grok AI. We upload it and give it the same prompt. Animate this image with a slow, steady zoom out for 6 seconds. Grok will generate our second video clip. Once it's done, we repeat the process. Save the last frame of that new clip, take it back to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt, and then take that image back to Grok for the next piece of animation. You just keep repeating that loop from Grok to ChatGPT and back to Grok as many times as you want. Each time, your world gets bigger and more surprising. Once you've generated all the video clips you want for your sequence, the final step is to stitch them together. Just open up any video editing software, drop your clips into the timeline in the correct order, and they should flow together into one long, continuous, infinite zoom. And there you have it. A mind-bending infinite zoom AI video created through a fun and unpredictable process. The final result is a journey that even you didn't fully plan from the start. So what did you think? With ChatGPT for your initial spark and this powerful loop between Nano Banana Pro and Grok AI, you can create some truly unique visual stories. I'd love to see what you create, so be sure to share a link to your videos in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. As a reminder, a Google Doc with the example prompts I used today is linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!